Welcome to my channel. Here are some common English sentences you can use in daily life. Greetings and small talk. Good morning. How are you today? Good morning. How are you today? Hi. What's up? Hi. What's up? How was your weekend? How was your weekend? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. At home. What's for dinner tonight? At home. What's for dinner tonight? Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? I need to do some laundry. I need to do some laundry. Let's watch a movie. Let's watch a movie. I'm heading to bed. I'm heading to bed. Good night. Good night. At work. Could you send me that report? At work. Could you send me that report? Let's schedule a meeting for tomorrow. Let's schedule a meeting for tomorrow. I'll get back to you on that. I'll get back to you on that. Please, let me know if you need anything. Please, let me know if you need anything. I'm working on it. I'm working on it. In a store. Excuse me, where can I find the milk? In a store. Excuse me, where can I find the milk? How much does this cost? How much does this cost? Do you have this in a different size? Do you have this in a different size? I'm just looking, thank you. I'm just looking, thank you. Can I pay with a credit card? Can I pay with a credit card? Can I? In a restaurant. I'd like to make a reservation. In a restaurant. I'd like to make a reservation. Can I see the menu, please? Can I see the menu, please? I'll have the grilled chicken, please. I'll have the grilled chicken, please. Could we get the check, please? Could we get the check, please? That was delicious, thank you. That was delicious, thank you. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel.